We are looking for an AX functional finance consultant to work for a global Tier 1 consultancy and a Microsoft Gold partner. They have grown from 40 to 200 people in the last 5 years across Dynamics AX and CRM. This is a great opportunity to work with and learn from some of the most experienced professionals within AX, driving your career in the direction you want. You will also be one of the first to learn an advanced methodology for implementing AX7 in the cloud. They are one of the most successful Dynamics partners as they win the biggest AX projects with budgets over £15 million. Due to the revenue generated from these larger projects, they can invest more money back into the team for growth and training. This also ensures that the methods used are the most up-to-date and relevant in the market. We are looking for a functional consultant with a minimum of 3 years experience in finance and Dynamics AX. If this sounds like the right opportunity for you, then please get in touch to discuss it in more detail.